Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm exactly what's happened before acting. Open Call of Duty Mobile and read the ban message, then check your linked email for details. Once you have the ban type and date, gather proof: screenshots, device ID, Codm account ID, and recent purchase receipts. Make sure you stop using other accounts on that device to avoid complications, and do not attempt to circumvent the ban by creating a new profile, because that harms your appeal credibility. Next, file a formal appeal through Activision support or the in-game Contact Us form. In your message, explain the timeline clearly: when you last played, when you noticed the ban, and any anomalies. Attach the screenshots, device ID, account ID, and purchase receipts so agents can verify ownership. Once done, keep the tone professional and request a review or ban lift. Polite clarity speeds responses. Make sure to note any possible false positives, like shared IPs or recent device changes. After submitting your appeal, secure your account to prevent future issues. Change the linked email password, enable two-factor authentication, and remove any shared logins. Once the ticket is open, note the ticket ID and follow up politely about once per week. Save every response. If the initial appeal is denied, request specific reasons and provide any additional evidence you can find. Finally, make sure you keep records of all communications so you can escalate or refile with full documentation if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.